Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Check Python 3 version so you know which interpreter runs your files. Once done, open the terminal with Ctrl+Alt+T or from the Activities menu to keep workflow keyboard driven. Next, change into your project directory with cd:/path/ to/project so commands run where your Py files live. Make sure to use Python 3 explicitly to avoid legacy Python 2. This prevents permission surprises and ensures pip and venv commands match the interpreter. Once in the folder, set up an isolated environment so dependencies don't conflict. Python 3 mvenv then source venv/bin/activate. This ensures pip affects only the project. After activation, install libraries with pip install R requirements. txd or pip install package when needed. To execute, run Python 3 script. Py, you can also use Python script. Py once venv points to Python 3. If a script needs arguments, add them after the file name and watch terminal output for errors to iterate. To finish, deactivate the virtual environment with deactivate so your shell returns to the system Python. If installs fail, upgrade pip via Python 3 mpip, install upgrade pip and retry. Many errors stem from outdated tooling. Make sure scripts have correct permissions and shebang lines. Add hash, /usr/bin/env Python 3, run chmod plus x script. Py then, /script. Py for executable behavior. Troubleshooting tip. If import errors persist, confirm venv is activated and pip installed the package into that same environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.